Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so now in this video is I want to teach you about integration using partial fraction. Okay, do you still remember partial fraction that we already learned from last semester? Okay, so for integration by using partial fraction is of course an integration of a fraction 5x plus 3. For example, this fraction is x minus 1 and x plus 3 and dx. Okay, so before we proceed integration using partial fraction, we need to make sure that the denominator is already factorized. So in this form it is x minus 1 and x plus 3. So by that we can take the fraction of 5x plus 3 over x minus 1 and x plus 3 will be equal to a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 3. Okay, so we separate the fractions and we introduce unknown of a and b into the partial fraction. Okay, so now we equivalent the denominator, which is 5x plus 3, so equal to a x plus 3 and plus b x minus 1. So we write it down like this. Okay, so now we can expand the bracket. So at 5x plus 3, so equal to ax plus 3a plus bx minus b. Okay, so from here we can take the coefficient of x, for example, which is 5 is equal to ax is no longer need to be written, and 5 equal to a plus b, the coefficient of x. So then 3 will be equal to 3a minus b. So from here we know that a is equal to 5 minus b. So we substitute a equal to 5 minus b into this equation. So 3 equal to 3, 5 minus b minus b. So we have 3 equal to 15 minus 3b minus b. So we have 3 equal to 15 minus 4b, and negative 4b is equal to negative 12, and b is equal to 3. So then we take b equal to 3, we substitute it into the equation 5 minus 3. So then we have a is equal to 2. So now we have the value for a and we have the value of b. So we can rewrite this equation of integration of 5x plus 3 over x minus 1 x plus 3 is equal to integration of 2 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x plus 3. That is the value of a and b that we already found. So now we integrate our answer from here. So integration of 2 over x minus 1 is actually equal to 2 ln x minus 1 plus 3 ln x plus 3 plus c. Okay, so that is our answer for the integration by using partial fraction. Okay, so now it will be easier for us to integrate when we did the partial fraction. Okay, so our second example for integration by partial fraction is this equation of x power of 3 minus 8x minus 19 over x minus 3 and x plus 1 dx. So x plus 1 dx. Okay, when we see this function, we can directly, or we can see that, we can observe that the denominator is at the lower degree than the numerator, because when we expand the denominator, what we get is x to the power of 2, which is x squared minus 2x minus 3. So this fraction is in the form of improper fraction. So before we proceed with partial fraction, the improper fraction must be done with long division, so that it becomes a proper fraction, and only after that we can proceed it with the partial fraction. Okay, so now let's do the long division, so which is x squared minus 2x minus 3 divide x cubed minus 8x minus 19. Alright, so we solve it by our long division method, which is x. So then we have x power of 3 minus 2x squared minus 3x. So now we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 19. So we add plus 2. So we have 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. So from here we have negative x minus 13. So this is our remainder. So now, since we already done the long division and we have the answer, we can rewrite the fraction into a new form, that is x plus 2 plus negative x minus 13 over x minus 3 and x plus 1 dx. So this will be our answer. Not an answer yet, but our way to integrate. So we focus on the fraction because x plus 2 is easy to be integrated. So negative x minus 13 over x minus 3 and x plus 1 is equal to a over x minus 3 plus b over x plus 1. So we equivalent the denominator equal to a x plus 1 plus b x minus 3. So we have negative x minus 13 equal to ax plus a plus bx minus 3b. Okay, so now we focus on the x, that is negative 1 equal to a plus b, and negative 13 equal to a minus 3b. So negative 1 is equal to negative 1 minus a equal to b. So we substitute b equal to a minus 3, negative 1 minus a, alright. Okay, so now what we have, here is negative 16 equal to 4a. So a is equal to negative 4. So for the value of b is equal to negative 1 minus negative 4, and b is equal to 3. So now we have the value for a and b. So we can substitute into the equation of the integration, that is equal to integration of x plus 2 plus, get our a is negative 4. So negative 4 over x minus 3 plus 3 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, so we integrate this. So we continue it over here. So then we have x squared over 2 plus 2x. So this one we have negative 4 ln x minus 3 plus 3 ln x plus 1 plus c. Okay, so that is our final answer for this integration. Okay, for our example number 3 is that still in the part of partial fraction. Integration of 1 plus 11x plus 4x squared over 1 plus x squared plus 3x minus 1 dx. Okay, so this one, for this one we look at the denominator. So the degree of the denominator is higher than the degree of the numerator, so there is no need for us to do long division. So from here we can directly go to partial fraction. Okay, so for partial fraction, so the fraction of 1 plus 11x plus 4x squared over 1 plus x squared plus 3x minus 1. So for this fraction, the partial fraction will be equal to a over 1 plus x. Okay, plus, so since this is a quadratic function where the x is degree power of 2, so our partial fraction will be bx plus c over x squared plus 3x minus 1. So from here, if you want to try it by yourself, you can pause this video for a while and you can check at the end of, you can check your answer at the end of this video. Alright, so from here we equivalent the denominator. 4x squared equal to a x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus bx plus c 1 plus x. Alright, okay, so we can let x equal to 0. So when we let x equal to 0, so then we have 1 equal to a negative 1 plus bx is 0, x 0, so plus c. So then we have 1 equal to negative a plus c. Okay, we stop it right over there, and we now let x equal to negative 1. So when we let x equal to negative 1, then we have 1 minus 11 plus 4 equal to a 1 minus 3 minus 1, because 1 minus 1 is 0, so for total b and c is equal to 0. So this one we have negative 6 equal to negative 3a, so then a is equal to 2. Alright, so we substitute a into this equation. So then we have the value of c, that is equal to 1 plus 2, so c is equal to 3. So now we need to find the value of b. So to find the value of b, we let x equal to 1. So we have 1 plus 11 plus 4 equal to 3a plus b plus 3 bracket 2. So 16 equal to 6 plus 2b plus 6. So from here we have b is equal to 2. So now we have the value of a, b and c. We substitute the answer into the equation. So our a is 2. So means 2 over 1 plus x plus, and our b is also 2, 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 3x minus 1. So we integrate this form. Okay, so now when we want to integrate, so 2 over 1 plus x become 2 ln 1 plus x. So 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is the derivative from the denominator, that is x squared plus 3x. So when differentiated, it becomes 2x plus 3. So then we know when we integrate that form of equation, it will produce ln x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus c. So that is our answer.